What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. I'm gonna do a backyard workout today because I don't feel like going to the gym. I don't feel like going anywhere else. I'm just gonna do it right here in my backyard by the pool with this lovely view. Can't complain about the view. It's actually beautiful. I'm gonna set you guys up on this tripod right there. Right there. And it's really hot outside, so I should get a good sweat going. I'm pretty tired because I've been working out a lot. So this is going to be a nice little like body weight workout. But it's not really Tabata because it's going for reps rather than time. I'm already sweating. I haven't even started. So you know how that is. Florida sun. It's hot up here. Here we go. Let's get started. Okay guys, I'm all done. Y'all, I should have wore sunscreen. That's Florida for you. I've been out in the sun for probably 4 or 5 hours and I didn't put any sunscreen on. So that was my bad. Oops. Let me know what you guys think about my workout. If you try it, drop a comment and let me know. Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at LizMarcinek, LizMarcinek with an underscore. Y'all have a great day. Peace.